Safety, it's not just another word, it's an attitude, it's a promise, it's a commitment to your employees. When you have good people, you want to provide them with a safe working environment to make sure they are protected. The safety of your personnel is very important to us as well. We have worked hard to design and implement some of the most advanced safety equipment in the industry. In addition to individual machine guarding, we also provide comprehensive floor-mounted perimeter guarding with strategically located safety gates, safety zones, and machine status indicators. And dedicated safety PLCs are provided as well. Redbud Quail Processing Equipment is designed and manufactured with overall safety in mind. While our systems are designed to safeguard your personnel, we don't sacrifice performance and productivity. Our lines include a high degree of automation as well as a number of unique features such as quail prep stations, automatic quail loading, and push button threading, which allows safety and productivity to coexist with one another. When a machine is poorly guarded or done so incorrectly, operators tend to look at it and other safety systems as an inconvenience, a hindrance, or an obstacle to overcome. However, with a well thought out safety system, your personnel and the machine work in concert with one another. Together, we can help protect your most valuable asset, your personnel, while assuring you get the most out of your equipment. Redbud, we're not just an equipment builder. Think of us as a partner in your business. Give us a call to see how we can help you.